One of the greatest agricultural products of Greece is right here. This beautiful, thick, long, fleshy, super sweet Florina pepper, or piperia florinis. Now, they generally grow in the north. These were grown in my garden here in Ikaria. And they're great with Greek feta in all sorts of different recipes. And if you can't find them fresh to roast them yourselves, you can always find them brined and roasted and brined. And I just want to show you here how thick and fleshy they really are. They're delicious. Stay tuned for a great snack using Florina peppers that are roasted with a little bit of Greek feta and some spice. Start with Greek feta. I'm using the dodoni. Drizzle in some extra virgin Greek olive oil. Mash that a little bit. Add Greek garlic paste, about a teaspoon. A little bit of dried savory or thrumbi. You could also use oregano. Hot sauce. A little more olive oil. And mash it all together to a nice smooth paste. Slice the Florina peppers. Spread the feta mixture over toasted bread. Top it with a little more thrumbi or oregano and some pink peppercorns and a drizzling of extra virgin Greek olive oil. And enjoy. Looks pretty good. Super easy snack. I'm just going to take a bite because I need something spicy. This calls for ouzo.